this is going to be such an important lesson for you guys, the viewers, as would-be investors, developers, and having your own projects.
This is the first room.
Here we're gonna build sticking out
Close to it as well, please.
vertical lines, like in this part of my joinery, something like that, yeah.
Yeah.
And then here is like more or less like a shelf. They can use it as a shelf. We continue with the same panel, step back on the wall, up to here. So from here to here, and then another one shelf in the middle here. So we can put sinks or whatever, yeah.
And then also just continue this above this as well, so that it disappears.
Opposite side of the wall, which is here,
Let's say this
we've
is
got
the wall.
the TV
We'll put
wall.
LED or something, no?
So we're thinking
No, I
of
wouldn't want to,
complementing that with a mirrored image of what we've got on the other side. And Danny's just going to create something now.
Then we need 20 mil everywhere, depend on the TV size.
Yeah.
And then here I've got like a shadow gap here, like a 30 mil, 50 mil. I don't know, if you want to put LED, we can put always LED here on the frame. If not, it's match with the frame, no?
Great stuff, Danny.
Depends on the size of the TV. We'll keep it a bit standard.
Thinking
Even
about
1.7?
changing the wardrobe from an L shape to a straight wall, which I think will be better actually. And so does the main architect.
Okay, let's stick on 1.6 meter, then it's gonna be 3 door.
3 door, yeah.
Okay, so no more L shape
The
now.
will be just shelves, I think.
I can do, so shelves, shelves, shelves. So here I can do shelves. And here, because I've got separate unit, I do long hanging. And then it's gonna be another shelf at the bottom. And we got everything we need.
Yes,
Yeah?
that's
Great
good.
stuff.
Yeah?
This is where the experience comes in. So Danny's been manufacturing these for high-end central London clients for decades, and it's just a repeat process. Let's have a look at the bathroom.
Here is a 700 shower. Up to 1 liter or 1.1 liter. Here is a basin. And here, I don't put it on the center, a little bit here.
A little bit here, just like
Yeah, to be the
place in
toilet,
there. Yeah.
It's a good space. 700 shower is good. Looking at the tile selection for the bathroom here.
These are the colours we'll
now,
be
based
using.
on this being the price that we're going to be exiting for, it's not a £5 million house. So what I will say is that these tiles do look a bit expensive.
Yeah.
And but hopefully it should get us the money. Whether we need that or not, we can decide again. But yeah, just generally the look on it is very nice.
So what we've done to balance the costs, we've also included panelling, grooved panelling. So we'll be using that in most of the space. And this is mostly around where the basin will be. So the wet areas.
So
and the
limited
shower.
tiles, yeah?
Exactly.
Okay.
And then this will be used for floors.
Okay.
This
I love
is-
the colours.
This is so nice. So there, like an L shape.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Continue full and then another little bit.
Yes. So we're just layering materials and it will just have that
Layers and lines. I
Yes,
love that.
exactly.
I love the saying, layers and
Yeah.
lines. Good.
That's it.
Okay, we can go downstairs. We're moving into the master bedroom now. So here we are in the master bedroom, and that's the walk-in wardrobe, and then that will be the bathroom. Most importantly, the electrics are being worked on. We've got some channeling on that wall, which shows where the wall lights are going to be. Looking at the bathroom here now.
I have a socket I put here. Wall light.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then is a round bath here near the window. Shower screen glass, let's say 800. Let's put 800 by, we can go up to 1.3, 1.4 meter.
Give them a nice shower, yeah.
1.4, yeah.
Here is going to be the Geberit frame, which is going to stick out. For the, unless it's going to be freestyle toilet. And then I continue with all my design, and we can create 2 niche or something. Up to the top, not to stop it here, no?
There we have the layout for the ensuite, and now we're looking at the walk-in wardrobe. And then we can look at the tile selection as well.
This is the first choice of colours and materials. And then with the double basin, we have a bit more like a marble, earthy feel to the space. Traditional, but also a bit more modern as well. And then the vanity unit will be made by Danny.
Yeah, I can easily make it.
You can easily make that.
Yeah.
And the basis will
Lovely
sit
tuber,
on
that
top.
one. I like that.
So nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
These tiles will only continue about 1.1 high around the bathtub, so it won't be all around the bathroom. That makes sense.
Yeah.
And then this is the floor tile. The second option is again the same finishes, but we have these two, the blue and this marble, which is so nice as well, scallop marble. Do you have yeah.
I think the tile selection here is spot on,
So
and that's
good.
what gets us the price that we're going to be looking to achieve and the appeal.
Yeah. In terms of which tile you prefer, what would you like to go for? The dark or the blue?
Look, what I will
So
say
we'll just
is
show on the picture.
I mean, look, out of these, the most important thing is that I trust you guys, yeah, and I want you to feel as though it's like yours, you know, and just I will give you the opportunity to choose that, and I'm sure it'll come out with it. Yeah.
The guys are just talking about the finishes and the look of that bathroom, and I can just imagine it. This is where your teams are very, very important, and you know, architects, interior designers, and you know, contractors. I'm very, very fortunate that the contractor is my partner. I've known him for 20 years, and we've got everything set up. It's taken a lot of time, experience. So we're just looking at the walk-in wardrobe
So this is
now.
the reference what we were looking at. But we're changing it by using again the weeded design that we've used throughout the whole house for the drawers.
It's a nice picture of the dream team, just finalising the walk-in
The
wardrobe.
face of the drawer, yeah?
This should just be the same, both sides.
I mean, the team is really, really the key.
Why we don't keep then the drawer inside and three
Just
number?
to add a bit more of like
okay.
layers, textures, yes.
And when I open one door, I can use hinges 180 degrees and mirror inside.
Mirror, yeah. Inside mirror, yeah.
So once again, like in terms of the design, the great thing about it is that, bam, Danny can make it happen.
Exactly.
So that's
Makes
good.
our job much easier.
Okay, then it's gonna be what? Carpet flooring? We don't know yet.
I think we discussed that yesterday, Danny. We said that we want to go for wood floor throughout. Similar to Albert, the same wood floor. So we've now just agreed that all of the height for the lights is going to be 1.3 meters off the ground. And that just makes it a lot easier for the electricians when they're working on the first fix. So these are all construction hurdles, and you, the viewers, are learning how you can save time, cost and money. We're now discussing the skirting, and what I would ideally like here, skirting-wise, is a high skirting, because we've got the high ceilings here. It gives that feeling of grandeur, you know. So in terms of inches, how many inches is that? A 9-inch, 10-inch, 11-inch?
10-inch.
10 inches fine. The skirting and the height of the skirting is important for you guys, the viewers, to just really be on top of that as well, because it really just changes the dynamics of the room completely. Thinking about the walk-in wardrobe there, and to go into the bathroom, you're going to need a double door, so if we're just going to have glass or not. So now, as a consideration, it would be a case of some light in the walk-in wardrobe. I think we've got enough. I think we've got enough light there. So yeah, I think we can. Okay. So this is how we decide. Heads, we keep it.
Heads, you keep it.
Yeah.
Not heads.
Okay.
You're on camera, you
So
have to
now we have to like change. So Danny just said if we don't like it, he'll buy the house. So that's confirmed, yeah?
Anyone don't like my decision, I buy the house myself.
We're talking about this feature wall, and we're going to have some lighting here and some painting here. But that can't be decided until the staircase has been resolved, and the staircase is very complicated, which is a bespoke staircase.
There is going to be platform which is a little bit higher than my room. From the platform, you can have 1, 2, 3 steps to go into the room, and then another 1, 2, 3 steps to reach that window there. This is the only way I've done all the designs.
The partitions have gone up whilst I've been here, to be honest, and on the other side you're going to see the pocket door frames, and this space is really opened up now, so that's looking awesome. We are on the ground floor, and the guys are excavating the garden, which I'm going to show you. So that's where we've taken the ground down, so the garden also has to come down. What do you think of the space?
It's amazing. We've got a really nice height now.
What do you think of the speed?
Speed is amazing.
That's how we roll, isn't it?
Yes. We're ticking.
Yeah, but yeah, we're moving super fast here. We're just talking about whether we want the WC, which is there, or a pantry. So,
Yeah, so I think we need a bit more storage.
Yeah.
So
If I'm living here, I'd want more space for like coats and jackets when people come in rather than a toilet. And then another toilet. We've got a lot going on.
So we decided no WC. We'll stick with the original plan. Guests can go upstairs, which is fine. And I think what's really nice here, Danny, is you remember you spoke about them compartments when they come in to put their coats and stuff underneath the stairs.
Yeah,
so that's
going to be all this angle.
So that could be
a nice door wardrobe.
Yes.
That could work really nice.
Many the space.
Oh, right, okay. Talking about the hallway here, and this section here needs to have a wow factor and lots of layers and lines and elements. But we're going to let you see that when we finish this project, and we've discussed all of the elements that we need.
From there, I'm going to manage
Different ideas
from there.
and just bouncing,
So I'm going to
basically.
bring someone to move all the electric from me underneath the stairs.
Oh, that's good. So normally in these Victorian houses, up here you have these fuse boxes. So we're going to move all of that underground, and then it's going to be completely a plain wall there. This is how fast the guys are putting up this partitioning. So there's the frame for the pocket door.
What I need for next week is the layout of the electric. Maybe we can work together. I can put on my door. Yeah. So I think it's very simple. Light, couple sockets, etc. And then also the position of the sink, washing machine, whatever.
Shall we just go through the kitchen now?
mixing a bit of traditional, a bit of modern touches.
So what I
because
measured
we-
myself
here
at
we
the
have
moment,
the framing
I
around the
measured from where
door,
the steel is, which is here.
Yeah. That's from.
Okay.
and then continue the panelling down.
Yeah, but if you want to minus the pantry,
Yeah, it's going to come out so nice.
If we can make that 4-meter kitchen, that would be better.
I can keep the utility on 1.3, 1.4 meter.
Yes.
So it's 4 meter and 1.2. Okay.
So we're just making sure we've got enough clearance here from the
table is
kitchen island, so that we've got a dining table as well, and we've got enough walking clearance as well. So this is a very, very important calculations that we're making as part of the construction progress.
750 space.
And I just let my teams do it, which is great. Look for the next deal.
The 3 glass I ordered there,
Is it frame or does it have no frame?
it's just glass.
Yeah, okay, good.
Yeah, like that. And as soon as they tied it up today, I measured the door and I ordered the door straight
Okay,
away.
so the key thing is like ordering that door, because that's what saves us the time. We're just finalising
So here, let's say it's gonna be,
here. So in
let's say it's gonna be
terms of the,
dishwasher.
measurements for all of the units.
This is gonna be some kind of 300 unit.
I'm going to end this video here, and hopefully it's given you a real live scenario of high-end design and build, where we've got our professional teams in place. I hope you found it informative and really enjoyed what you watched today. The dream teams take years, decades to build, and we've made all of the mistakes in our early years, and now it's just stress-free and moving from one project to the next project, and buying properties, being able to move super fast, and just do what we're passionate about. So stay tuned, do